I wish I had a free bag of chips.
What?
I wish I had a free bag of chips.
A free bag of chips? What kind of chips?
Cheetos. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Hopefully y'all can hear me, see me well. It's good TT gang. Here's a quick POV of a quick restock. Okay. After Christmas Day. Had to restock before New Year's, okay? Make sure everything's good, all the machines are well, okay? Let's get this thing rolling. So, this shouldn't take that long. Should take it like 30 minutes maximum. Okay. So we got this machine right here. Just gotta put some chips in here. I use this for missing out opportunity for sales. Use your bottom room, okay? All right, let's do the drink machine first. How do y'all keep track of your keys, man? Okay. Nope. 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 Okay. Let's do this first. Excuse me. So, all of these are no bueno, no bueno. Decent. Okay, you get the point. Okay. On the snack machine. Now onto the soda machine. Okay. This is Pepsi. What was these? Sprite, Diet Pepsi and Sprite for sure. All right, let's get this recycling going on.
What is this? Power. You done with these boxes here?
No. That's just good. Put some sun kiss in here. For the labels, I usually, if I don't have a specific label for the drink, I usually write it on the back. Either you can do that, or, you know, get a label maker, put it on there. So I'm gonna do that. Not the label maker, but pen method. Let's test this out real quick. Be pushing, bro. Take notes. Damn, it's so tough. I just don't know. I get my Mountain Dew, Diet Pepsi. Try this orange soda to see how he goes. I need some magnets. I'm trying to find some magnets. Okay. Hopefully y'all can hear me because there's loud ass fan that's going on. Okay. Alright. We are done with this. What's it called? Restock. So if you like this point of view, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this on YouTube, but definitely gonna be a reel on Instagram, shorts, all that, okay? Anyways, I'm done. Anyways, I'm done. Hopefully you enjoy. Make sure you drink some water, okay? And Call it a day. Be the best version of yourself. Okay? Improve every day. Call it a day. Improve every day. Talk to y'all. Peace out.